Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have a huge smile on my face today for one reason: TIG welding.
Zombie apocalypse.
I'm back at the TIG welding workshop and I'm going to attempt to do some TIG welding today. I'm not a TIG welder. This is going to be a chance where you lot, I'm going to need your help to tell me where I'm going wrong and what I'm doing wrong. But I've got some understanding of TIG welding, not enough to call myself a TIG welder, but I thought I'd still bring you along for the journey. So hope you lot enjoy. But let me elaborate again. I know nothing. I know absolutely nothing. So don't judge me. This is just for you lot who want TIG welding and for everyone else who wants to follow my welding journey. So do not judge. And as for the machine I'm going to be using, it's going to be the TIG 3001i. This is what I used the first time. It's an ESAB machine. I've got some luck with that. I tried Fronius last time, but I didn't really like it. Here's the gas. And then we're going to be purging with nitrogen. People say nitrogen's better because it's a heavier weight gas than argon, and then it's cheaper as well. So they say you get a better purge with it, and it's a cheaper material, cheaper gas to buy. But here is the Fronius machine that I don't quite like. Maybe that's because of my inexperience in using it. Maybe it's because the torch isn't as flexible as I like. But I'm going to stick with what I know, and then that was with the ESAB machine. So the work that needs to be carried out today is on 2-inch, and this here is on 2.5-inch. I'm going to do a practice piece just to see how far I've either lost skills or even gained skills. You know, sometimes your skills can marinate when you're not working. So yeah, let's see how far I get with this. As for the size diameter of the pipe, I just measured it. This is 2mm pipe. From what I understood last time, you have to root and cap it at the same time. So the technique I was taught was, you know, do 4 wiggles and dab a wire in, but I've learned from some of you guys, and some of you have told me that that's not the right way to do it. You've got to continuously weave and then just dab the wire in. So I'm going to test the two techniques and just see which one comes out better. Inside here is a plug. I've got my purge hose coming all the way through, and then it's just blanked off right here with a sponge. And then I'm going to put the piece onto here, tack it on, tape around the two ends, and then test it at the first weld. So, a brief history before I show you this weld. So, originally I'm a MIG welder. I learned MIG welding from welding brackets, and I moved on to pipe. I went to college for it, and then all of that. I've done a bit of stick welding, but at heart I'm a MIG welder. one time there was not much work going on, so I was given the chance to come to this workshop to learn to TIG weld. It took me 1 week to learn from nothing to a good enough stage where you learn on the job, basically, because it's hard to only do practice pieces and then be just like that an expert welding it on the job. So it took me a week to learn, and I was able to do it good enough in a week that I was able to practice on the real pipe, and it was at a standard that could go out. I had my test on it, I passed my test and everything, but I haven't been welding for about 9 months. The last time I'd done any stainless steel welding was 9 months ago, so be easy on how this weld comes out. Let me know what I've done wrong. Positive criticism, really. I don't know where I'm going wrong to correct my mistakes, so drop in the comments down below anything you suggest that I should be doing. I've given you all my parameters, so yeah. From looking at the route, automatically I can tell it's a bit cloudy. I've seen clearer routes. Now, I don't know whether that's because I never had enough purge gas, if the exit hole wasn't big enough. This here now, it's only got one hole. From when I remembered, I used to pop 3 holes in it, so I don't know if it's not a big enough hole here. For the most part, I'm happy. My skills, I think, have gotten better since I last done it, rather than deteriorated. So here are the final 2 welds. This one here I think came out the best out of all of them. I attempted to wire brush it, but I gave up. It's going to get cleaned later on. The route in them, not the best routes. I've done better routes than that before, but like I said, this is my first time doing it in 9 months. I'm going to work on my techniques, work on consistency. This one here is very dark, so it's like I need help to make it less dark. What gas flow to be using. See, for the most part, my routes aren't so bad. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But yeah, for the most part, the routes come out alright. What my issue is and what I'm struggling with is the dark coloration of the welds and just consistency. I have to work on my consistency, making sure that my chevrons are equally spaced apart, that my weaves are the same, and I'm dabbing the right amount of wiring. But all of that just takes time. But for the most part, I'm somewhat happy with how this turned out after being so long without welding. So I'm gonna do a lot more welds, and hopefully by the end of it I got something that I can be proud of. So guys, I hope you lot enjoyed that. Like I said, this was a little journey that I was going along using my ESAB machine here. If you liked what you see, leave a like, drop a comment down below, share to your friends, do all of that sort of stuff, hit the subscribe button. And either here or here will be the link to my Instagram. Check me out, you'll be able to see behind the scenes of me making these videos and a lot more videos. And you'll also be able to see more welding videos. I post photos, videos, stories daily. So take care, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.
Zombie apocalypse.